Hello and welcome to KSG Explainer video. The topic of this video is India in GHI 2020. India ranks 94 among 107 countries in the Global Hunger Index, the report released on October 16, 2020 said. According to the report, with a score of 27.2, India has a level of hunger that is serious. India's rank was 102 out of 117 countries last year. In the index, India features behind Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, among others. Out of the total 107 countries, only 13 countries fare worse than India, including countries like Rwanda, Nigeria, Afghanistan, Liberia, Mozambique, Chad, among others. According to the report, 14% of India's population is undernourished. It also says that the country recorded a child stunting rate of 37.4%. Stunted children are those who have a low height for their age, reflecting chronic undernutrition. Now let us talk about what actually this Global Hunger Index is. The Global Hunger Index is a peer-reviewed annual report jointly published by Concern Worldwide and Wealth Hunger Life, designed to comprehensively measure and track hunger at the global, regional and country levels. Data from 1991 through 2014 for Bangladesh, India, Nepal and Pakistan showed that stunting is concentrated among children from households facing multiple forms of deprivation, including poor dietary diversity, low levels of maternal education, and household poverty. In many countries, the situation is improving too slowly, while in others, it is worsening. For 46 countries in the moderate, serious, or alarming categories, GHI scores have improved since 2012. But for 14 countries in those categories, GHI scores shows that hunger and undernutrition have worsened. The latest GHI projections show that 37 countries will fail to achieve even low hunger by 2030. The GHI scores are calculated each year to assess programs and setbacks in combating hunger. Let's see how is it calculated. It is calculated on the basis of 4 indicators. Undernourishment, child wasting, the share of children under the age of 5 who are wasted, low weight for their height reflecting acute undernutrition. Child stunting, children under the age of 5 who have low height for their age reflecting chronic undernutrition. Child mortality, the mortality rate of children under the age of 5. Going into the flashback, the Global Hunger Index was created in 2006 by researchers from the International Food Policy Research Institute, which in the years since has provided crucial intellectual and financial support for the development and maintenance of the index. In 2015, IFPRI initiated an improvement in the methodology for calculating the GHI. With a strong foundation in place, IFPRI is stepping aside from its involvement in the GHI, which now goes forward as a joint project of Wealth Hunger and Concern Worldwide. It ensured that the calculation of the index is continued with the same high academic standard that IFPRI has set. So ladies and gentlemen, KSG India is a platform where the videos are related to UPSC examination. So in case you have any suggestions in mind, kindly give them in the comment section. Like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so very much. Stay tuned.